Are you like me and sometimes just don't feel like doing what you need to do? Are you waiting for the Spirit to move you before you get at it? The truth is that you can wait a very long time for the feeling of not wanting to do something to be replaced by the feeling of wanting to do it. In the meantime, nothing happens. Results suffer, goals are missed, and regret ensues. You know, the most accomplished among us don't have this problem. They know that feelings follow actions, not the other way around. So when something needs to be done, feeling or no feeling, they do it anyway. You could say they appreciate what Ralph Waldo Emerson said in 1841. He said, "Do the thing and you'll get the power." The real magic of great accomplishment in business is in disciplining yourself to take action when you don't feel like it. Just make the call. Just see the people. And you know, you can even create the feeling you want by acting. You know, if you want to be confident, act confidently. If you want to be bold, act boldly. If you want to be enthusiastic, act enthusiastically. You see, no one has the time to wait for fleeting feelings before they make their move if they want to achieve greatly. If you want it done, get at it. Like Disney's Mary Poppins said, a job well begun is a job half done. So ignore your feelings. Take action in the direction of your intentions, and you can do anything. Besides, you only have to until you want to, and then you never have to again. Hey, would you like to know how to get more done? I can help. Check out jimruta.com. God bless, and I'll see you again next time.